Good morning, student. Now today we will see a new chapter. As we all know that you all have studied about this chapter. Chapter now 7. Its name is fraction. So I think everyone now you are knowing about this chapter because I had discussed in previous classes also what is fraction, how we will just construct a fraction, and how we will convert decimal from decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. So many things we all have studied in previous classes. Now today we will discuss, this is the topic over there, this is the fraction. Firstly we will discuss what is fraction. Now this is very simple. Now fraction this is the part of whole. Fraction a fraction is a fraction is part of whole. फ्रैक्शन क्या है? पूरे का एक पार्ट है. Now everyone just state clearly. Suppose that this is your box. How many part you have divided it? This is the 4 part. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. If we will discuss over the fraction, now suppose that you have taken one part. This is the shaded part. 2 part you have taken. Now firstly we have to see how many part has been given in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is the 4 part. And how many part you have taken? How many part you have shaded? How many part you have used? 2 parts. 2. When we will minimize it, now 2 to the 4, now 1 by 2. This is the part of whole. This is the part of whole. Because पूरे का कितना आपने लिया? 2 part. पूरा कितना part था? 4 part. That's why we can say that 1 by 2 is the shaded part of whole. So this is the fraction. Now we can say example 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, etc. This is the fraction. Suppose that another example, now I am giving you, this is the circle. Now you have divided into 4 parts. Now you see how many parts it has been given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now total part is, now total part is equal to 4. Total part is equal to 4. Suppose that one part you have taken, one part you have cut it from it. Now if you have cut from one part, now we can say 1. Because you have taken one part and this is the total part. So now we can say that fraction is equal to 1 by 4. Now taken part is equal to 1. Taken part we can say now 1, and this is the total part. This is the total part, this is the taken part, and this is the fraction. Now you can construct a fraction like this. So now my dear student, this is very simple. Never you have to think that this is very typical chapter, how will you get understand. Just to think over that what is fraction, because this is your chapter. Fraction is a part of whole. पूरे का पार्ट है, पूरे का पार्ट है, पूरे के पार्ट को ही फ्रैक्शन कहा जाता है. सपोज दैट दिस इज द पेन. इस मार्कर को क्या किए? 3 पार्ट में बांट दिए. 1 पार्ट, 2 पार्ट, देन 3 पार्ट. एक पार्ट को आपने ले लिया. How many part you have taken? 1 by 3 part. Because total part has been given 3, 1 part you have taken. That's why we can say that you have taken 1 by 3 part. Okay. Now you see once again more. Okay. This is your figure. This is your figure. Now you see how many part it has been divided. Total part. Firstly you see total part is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now taken part only 1. Shaded part. Shaded part is equal to 1. Now fraction is equal to shaded part by total part. Shaded part by total part. Shaded, or we can say taken shaded part by total part. Now you see very simple 1 by 8. This is the fraction. So now you get never confused. This one is 1 by 8. 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 Now this one is 1 by 8. Now this one is a 1 by 8. And this one is also 1 by 8. If we will do total of all, find the sum of all, then we will get only 1. Then we will get 1 because this is the whole. Whole means this is the 1. Now you see 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Now I am going to check it. This is the one figure or not? 1 by 8 how? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 7, now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you will find out the sum of this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will get 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Now you see, this is the one figure. And you have divided into so many parts. So this is the completely one figure. Now you see. So this is the fraction. Now you will see. I think you all have got about fraction. Are you getting? Okay. Now we will see types of fraction. Types of fraction. Now types of fraction, you see, first one is like fraction. Like fraction. Now unlike fraction. Now third one is proper fraction. Fifth one is improper. Now next one is equivalent fraction. Then after okay, now you see next one is equivalent fraction, mixed fraction, decimal fraction, vulgar fraction. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 types of fraction has been given in your book. All definition has been given in your book. So those who are not getting from here, also just you can read out book, because in your book has been given all things. Now first one in like fraction. Firstly, now I'm going to explain once again. Then I will make you retain the definition of it. Like fraction. This is very simple. A fraction whose denominator is same. Denominator, I think everyone you are knowing. Numerator by denominator. Nominator is equal to fraction. Fraction numerator by denominator. Numerator, this is the answer, this is the answer. Okay. Like fraction. A fraction whose denominator is same, that is like fraction. A fraction whose denominator is not same, that is a like fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator, that is the proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator, that is the improper fraction. Next I will discuss. Firstly, we will see here. Like fraction, a fraction whose denominator are same. We can say a fraction whose denominator is same. Is same. That is the like fraction. जैसे देख लेंगे 3/5, 2/5, 6/5. These are the like fraction. Okay. Now we will discuss next class. Thank you.